Welcome to R-OnlineClasses. Today, we're exploring simple machines, from basics to real-world examples. Let's dive in. Simple machines. Simple machines can help us make work easier. They have a simple build and do not have many parts. Pulley. The pulley helps us by lifting a load from a low area to a high area. We use pulleys to help us lift a flag or raise up curtains. Wheel and axle. A wheel and axle helps us by making it easier to carry heavy loads quickly over long distances. They can also help us steer, turn and lift loads. A wheelchair helps people move their bodies from one place to another. Levers helps us by making it easier to lift heavy objects. Seesaws are fun to use with friends, and wheelbarrow help us carry loads over distances. Wedges help us by making it easier to split or cut an object. Objects like forks, knives, and even our teeth are wedges. Screws help us by lifting things or keeping them together. A light bulb is screwed into the base so it does not fall out and lights up. Inclined plane helps us by pushing or rolling an object to a higher or lower area. A slide is a fun and safe way to go from a higher area to a flat area. Can you name all the simple machines?
Yay!
Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, do like, comment and share. Also subscribe for more upcoming videos.